Hello Vivites, I am Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda. I am a practicing physician and a researcher on medicinal plants since many years. And today I am going to explain you all about an innovative product from Indus Viva, iSlim. iSlim is a unique product in wellness paradigm of weight management from Indus Viva. I call this innovative because iSlim has a composition with patented herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, protein premixes, enzymes, milk solids and an enchanting taste, all of which makes iSlim an adorable product in the holistic management of weight and obesity. Obesity is a global pandemic now. India in fact ranks 3 in obesity, followed by US and China. It is reported that India currently has 42 million obese people and this value is expected to double up by the next 10 years. 73% of urban Indians are said to be obese and 1 in 2 patients are suffering from obesity. Apart from this, an alarming thing which is happening in India today is the childhood obesity. It is estimated that around 70% of children in India ages between 6 to 16 can be obese by 2025. So India needs to lose weight, and for this iSlim is a very innovative solution for the holistic management of overweight and obesity. Obesity is a condition in which a person has developed excessive body fat and it has negative impact on his health. In a nutshell, when a person's weight is more than 20% of his normal body weight, the person is known to be obese. People normally become overweight and obese due to various causative factors. These etiological factors, otherwise called the causative factors of obesity, ranges from genetic factors, lack of proper dietary habits like consumption of too much calories beyond the body's requirement, improper diet practices, lack of sleep, leading a sedentary lifestyle, addictions like alcohol and smoking, as well as drug addictions, and these are some of the factors which cause obesity and overweight in a human being. Overweight or obesity is normally diagnosed using a tool called as BMI. BMI means the body mass index. BMI is actually a measure of body's fat by taking into consideration the height and weight of a person. If a person has a BMI below 18, it is underweight, and if a person has a BMI between 18 to 25 is normal weight, and if a person's BMI is above 25 is overweight, and if a person's BMI is more than 30, he is called as obese. Obesity, if left untreated, leads to a lot of complications. These include hypertension or increased blood pressure, diabetes, infertility, stroke, cardiovascular diseases or heart attacks, or even osteoporosis, to name few. iSlim is a very innovative formula and it's a very good discovery from Indus Viva, and it is a 100% natural product for the management of overweight and obesity. iSlim is power packed by FB3 fusion ingredient, which is a US patented herbal active blend for the comprehensive management of overweight and obesity. FB3 is a blend composed of 3 botanical extracts, namely Coleus forscoli, Salacia reticulata and Sesamum indicum. These 3 botanical ingredients are standardized to forskolin, salacinol and sesamin respectively. FB3 is a powerful inhibitor of pancreatic lipase which absorbs excess fat in the body and very good in the management of overweight and obesity. FB3 fusion ingredient in iSlim is an innovative composition which keeps the good fat in and removes the bad fat out. FB3 has lots of documented clinical trials. The clinical trials have shown significant weight reduction activity where FB3 is used. This FB3, apart from reducing the weight parameters, has also shown to reduce the triglycerides, the low density lipoproteins, as well as it prevents the excess craving for food as well. In other words, it produces the feeling of satiety. There are several in vitro trials which have proven the weight reduction activity of FB3. These in vitro trials have been documented in various research journals. An effective synergistic combination of Coleus forscoli and Salacia reticulata effectively absorbs the excess fat, whereas a holistic composition of Coleus forscoli and Sesamum indicum actually produces the safety mechanism. This safety mechanism is the one which prevents the negative effects of gastrointestinal as well as metabolic complaints which normally the fat blockers do. Apart from FB3, iSlim also has a range of botanical extracts like Mangifera indica, Piper nigrum, Piper chaba, Cuminum cyminum, Coriandrum sativum and Garcinia, which effectively inhibits the fat and helps in healthy weight management. iSlim also has lots of essential nutrients in it. iSlim has the soy protein isolates as well as whey protein concentrates, which are nothing but the protein premixes, which are very much required during the weight reduction process for maintaining the optimum energy levels in the human body. At the same point of time, these protein concentrates augment the activity of FB3, making iSlim an effective solution for weight management. In addition to these protein premixes, iSlim also has the goodness of vitamins and minerals, which are very important for the human body as they provide the antioxidants. iSlim also has essential vitamins, minerals, trace elements, milk solids as well as enzymes, all of which make iSlim a very good antioxidant product and also helps in faster cellular regeneration. iSlim does not have any added sugars and it can be safely consumed by all age groups from pediatrics to geriatrics. It also includes people with diabetes, heart problems, stroke as well as pregnant women can safely consume iSlim. For effective results, I always suggest iSlim to be taken in empty stomach in the morning or as a breakfast cereal. iSlim can be effectively continued up to 3 months for beneficial results. For effective weight management with iSlim, you need to follow diet and lifestyle. Moderate physical activity for 20 minutes in a day, 3 to 4 times a week is a must. I always advise to consume 2 to 4 liters of water in a day. Always consume the meals which are small, frequent and dinner being the lightest. Always have the habit of consuming fresh fruits, fresh vegetables and drinking fresh juices. Last but not the least, please cut down on sweets, colas, fried items and other fatty things. So slim your life with iSlim.